In a world where the Cheeseman gives us a project to do about geothermal energy.
Josh Dash here with Channel 5 News. And I'm here talking to my good friend, Snowball, the snowman. What's up, man? It's been a while. What's the winter gonna be like this year? Oh, you don't know? Well, thanks. That helps me out with nothing. Okay, well, I want to ask you a little bit about geothermal energy. Do you have any idea what the heck that is? Oh, you don't? Oh. Well, anyway, let me give you a little rundown about what could happen if we used it more. And some fun facts. Well, it's generated in over 20 countries already, so the U.S. has got to get up there. But we're using a little bit, but we're still getting there. Excuse me! Do you know what geothermal energy is? You're making me look stupid! I love lamp. Lampy lamp lamp. A good friend of mine, whose name is Lamp. And he asked me if I knew any pros about geothermal energy. And I said, well, gee, young man, that's the question. That is the $1 million question. I was the one who was going to ask him, but he asked me first. So you know what? I'm going to answer those questions. And here's just a couple pros. Not like LeBron James or Jamal Lewis or Mario Manningham. No. These are pros about geothermal energy. Now let's take a look. Did you know in Iceland, 87% of the homes are run by geothermal energy? You had no idea. Go figure. Okay. And the pros are, they're environmentally friendly. There's no pollution involved. They take up less room than conventional fossil fuels or things of that nature. And they are cleaner than fossil fuels, which is going to be very big in the upcoming years. So we're going to go into a couple more here in the slide, but thank you for listening, Lamp. You're a good man. You are the brother. Josh Dash back with Snow Bro, the snowman. And I'm trying to figure out if some people who are less intelligent than I actually know how much it costs to install a geothermal energy unit into their home. And I found one very unintelligent man named Snow Bro, and I'm gonna ask him if he knows how much it actually does cost. Do you know how much it costs to put into your home the geothermal energy unit? Wipe that smell up your face! Not $5,000, $20,000. $20,000. It is not cheap. There's no reason you should be making fun of it. $20,000. Now back to the studio. Josh Dash here with a good friend of mine, Mrs. Bull the cow, and I'm gonna ask her a couple questions. Excuse me, you're making me look stupid. No, do you know what geothermal energy is? Do you? What? Come back here. Guess you don't. Fair enough.
Hello, I'm Jeff You Betcha, reporting live at a local tavern where I want to ask some odd fellows some questions about a certain kind of energy called geothermal energy. Now, not many people or animals know what this is, but we're going to see if this fellow right next to me, Vinny, does know. So let's take it over to where Vinny is sitting. Vinny, do you know what geothermal energy is? No, I don't think you heard me correctly. Do you know what geothermal energy is? He says no. Well, you probably don't know how it's produced then, do you? That's a no, too. Oh, Lord. Well, this brings us to the conclusion that no one knows what geothermal energy is. So my job for you and my fellow group members is to tell you what geothermal energy is. And we're going to do that right now. I'm Jeff You Betcha. I'm signing off. You stay classy, Cheeseman's class.